an experiment was set up as shown in that diagram. The setup was left for about 30 minutes. You have glass rod, thread, the sucrose solution, whisking tubing, and distilled water. Then you're given questions. You're told that state the expected results after 30 minutes. So of course what will happen is that the whisking tubing will be filled with water, or with solution level of water in the beaker will decrease. This is because water moves from a region of high water potential, high water concentration, to a region of low water concentration across the semi-permeable membrane. So that is why the sucrose solution in the whisking tubing was higher. The level of the solution rose. What particular food substance is suspected to contain vitamin C? That is DCPIP. You're not supposed to know that big name. DCPIP is enough. What is the expected result if vitamin C is present? That DCPIP solution is normally decolorized. It's normally purple. It's decolorized. Give one of the role of vitamin C in human body. Vitamins are protective foods, so it boosts the body immunity, prevents breeding of germs. It acts as an antioxidant also. What's the effect of contraction of diaphragm muscles during breathing in? So diaphragm, once it contracts, it flattens or moves downwards. Volume of the chest cavity will increase, and then the pressure in the chest cavity decreases. 3 adaptations of the leaf that maximize efficiency trapping of sunlight. Broad leaf to provide a large surface area for absorption of light. Palisade cells with large number of chloroplasts to trap sunlight. And then they are normally arranged end-on the upper epidermis. Explain the role of oxygen in active transport. Its role is to oxidize the food to produce energy that is required for active transport. Processes that depend on active transport, you have reabsorption of sugars in the kidney, absorption of digested food, and then also excretion of water products. Phylum, whose members possess an autochord, its phylum called data. So that's a diagram showing the transverse section through a plant organ. So you're supposed to study it and then answer the questions. So you are told name the class of plants from which the section was taken. That is a dicotyledona. You've seen it's a root, and the presence of root hairs confirm it. Xylem being star-shaped at the center, and then presence of endodermis. Name the part labeled K, that is phloem, and then what is the function of M, which is xylem? It's absorption, root hair cell, absorption of water and mineral salt. That's 1 mark already. Then the section was taken through a young monocotyledonous stem. In the space you draw the same diagram. So that is how the monocotyledonous stem would look like. Then here we have dichotomous key. So those are photographs involving invertebrates which belong to the same class, R1 to R6. You're supposed to study the features of each one of them, and then you construct a dichotomous key. So the first question, you are told, to which class do the above invertebrates belong? So they are insects, so they belong to class Insectas. State 3 characteristics of those. They have 3 body parts, they have 2 pairs of wings, they have 3 pairs of legs, they also have compound eyes. Construct a dichotomous key. You are given steps. Animals with wing. The other one, of course, will be animal without wings. Animal with hairy body, animal with smooth body. Animal with 1 pair of wings, Diptera. Animal with the 2 pairs of wings, that's the option. And then 4-wing hard, and then 4-wing soft. So using the above dichotomous key, identify which orders these organisms belong to. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to look at the diagram of the organism and then look at the features that it has and then follow the dichotomous key to identify the steps. For R1, you use 1A, that is animal with wing. Then it tells you go to 3, so you go to animal with one pair of wings. It has one pair of wing, and that is why we qualify it as Diptera. R2, it's Hymenoptera. It's 1A, that is animal with wing, animal with wings. Then it has go to 3, animal with more than 2 pairs of wings, that is 3B. Then you go to 4, which is animal with, that is 4B, 4 wings soft. Then you go to 5, it has broad abdomen. It has broad abdomen, that is why it's Hymenoptera. Then for R3, it's 1B and 2A, so you go back to animal without wing, go to 2, 2A, animal with hairy body, that is Siphonoptera. So the next questions, you just follow the same thing. R4, it's 1B and 2B, R5, 1A, 3B and 4B, and then 5A, and then lastly 1A, 3B and 4A. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.